Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can easily achieve frosted glass icons in Figma. So let's get started. So first you can select whatever object you feel like. So I'll just select this circle and I'll just select this circle. I'll just make this circle as well. Once you have selected a circle, you just need to give it some background color. So I'll just maybe select a blue. So yeah, something like this. It looks more like a green one, so I'll just make it a little bit more blue. Yeah, so once that is done, I'll just change the opacity. So this is important, you need to change the opacity to around 20%. Then you have to add the stroke color as well. Just click on this plus button to add a stroke color, and here I'll just select radial option. I'll change the weight to around 4 and make sure the position is inside. Then over here I'll just select this one. I'll select this picker tool and I'll just select this picker which is there. I'll just make it a little bit lighter, and for this one also I'll do the same thing. I'll just select the picker tool, I'll select this and I'll make it a little bit lighter. Okay, so this is done. Then I'll just move it down. Yeah, once that is done, you just need to go to effects, and here I'll just add one more effect. So first effect should be an inner shadow, so I'll just change this to inner shadow, and second one should be a background blur. So for inner shadow you need to make sure the X is 0, Y is 0 as well, and the blur is around 50, and I'll just change the color to FFD. Okay, and we can keep the opacity as 25%, and for background blur let's just change this value to 50. So here you can see it has achieved the frosted glass icon. Maybe if it's not clearly visible to you, maybe here you can take another shape, so something like this. I'll just send it to back. So here you should be able to see the frosted glass icon. So if it has a background color, then I think things would be more clearer, like if the background has some color to it. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.